today's video, I wanna do another monochromatic look. I haven't done this monochromatic look in a long time, so I wanna bring it back again. Honey baby, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Wait a minute, I will give you food. Okay, for today's video, I'm doing the purple monochromatic. I'm using the Zoifa Cool Tone palette because it has the most beautiful purple I've ever seen. Like, it's so purple, if you know what I mean. Sometimes purple is like mixed with brown, so it's not really purple, but it's purple. So if you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. Eyes, I'm taking NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone and just put it all over my eyelid to the brow bone to prime my eyes. Then I just set it with the powder so it doesn't crease throughout the day. Okay, now after that, I'm taking Zoifa Cool Spectrum palette. I'm taking this shade and just put it all over my crease as a transition color so the other color will blend it easily. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the black shade and just put it on the crease, but not as high as the gray shade. I put it more like below that transition color, if you know what I mean. I'm just blending it all out with the transition color. And after that, I'm taking purple shade and just put it all over my eyelid as a lid color. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited. Okay, now after that, I'm taking the black shade again and just put it on the outer corner and blending it all out to the crease. Just make a definition and just like, yeah, darkening up the look. After that, I'm taking this nude and white matte shade and just put it on the brow bone as a highlight. Okay, then after that, I'm taking my gel eyeliner and just make wing eyeliner like always. And now after that, I'm taking the Body Shop ID Final in the shade black and just put it on my tight line. Okay, now after that, I'm taking my mascara and just put it on my upper lashes. So yeah, that is it for the eyes. Okay, now moving on into the face, I'm taking my primer and just put it to fill in my pore and just mainly to the center of my face. After that, I'm taking my foundation and I'm using the buffing brush by Real Technique. I just buff my foundation all over my face, so yeah. Okay, then after that, I'm taking my concealer and just put it on my under eye and the place it I wanna highlight. So I'm using this as a highlighting and concealing as well. Then after that, I'm taking my powder and just set it all over my face. I'm using the smaller brush to set the concealer, and then after that, to set the foundation, I'm using bigger brush so it's not sticky. Okay, then after that, I'm taking Color Icon bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil by Wet n Wild and just bronzing up my face. I don't really contour with this because it's warm tone and it's a little bit shimmery, so I just warm up my face. And then after that, I'm taking another bronzer and just contouring my face. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the same bronzer and just contour my nose. And now after that, I'm taking the Body Shop Fresh Sorbet blush in the shade Tuscan Grape and just put it on the apple of my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Okay, now after that, for the highlight, I'm taking the Body Shop Puff on Radiance and just highlighting my face, and that is it for the face. Into the eyes, I'm taking this shade and just put it along the lower lash line, so yeah.
after that, with more precise brush, I'm taking this shade and just put it along the lower lash line, but closer to the lashes instead of the other shade. So yeah. After that, I'm taking this light shimmery purple and put it on my inner corner as a highlight. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the same eyeliner and just put it on my waterline. Then after that, with the same mascara, I'm just putting it on my lower lashes. Okay, then after that, I'm taking lipstick that has purple tone and just put it all over my lips. So that is it for this makeup tutorial.
So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video.
Never be